Hello friends and colleagues. IBC 2025 is a week closer, and we keep sharing exhibitors' plans for the show.
At IBC 2025, Avid will show how it is transforming news and post-production workflows to help teams move faster, collaborate smarter, and deliver impactful stories with greater reach and ROI. Visitors to the Avid booth will see the EMEA debut of the newly launched MediaCentral and WolfTech News integration, which enables end-to-end planning, production, and publishing from a single interface. New automation and AI tools will be front and center. For Audio Post, the company will premiere Pro Tools updates, including the Splice integration, AI-driven speech-to-text capabilities, and enhanced interoperability with Media Composer. Avid will also show how it is advancing post-production workflows through smarter integrations and scalable cloud solutions built on AWS.
Mark Roberts Motion Control, MRMC, a Nikon company, has released the Cinebot Nano, a motion control robot designed for solo filmmakers, content creators, and agile production teams. The Cinebot Nano combines powerful features with true portability and simplicity, offering an intuitive, travel-ready solution for dynamic, repeatable camera motion. Weighing in under standard luggage air travel limits and packing neatly into just 3 cases, this 9-axis robotic arm system is tailor-made for creators who shoot on location, in tight studio spaces, or anywhere in between. The Cinebot Nano is capable of supporting a 7 kg camera payload, with an impressive 1 meter reach, and integrates seamlessly with Tilta's zoom and focus control. At the heart of Cinebot Nano is MRMC's simplified flare light software. The world premiere of the Cinebot Nano is scheduled for IBC 2025.
Let's shift focus to other industry updates. Apple has won a US patent for a dual concentric spherical microphone array. Apple engineers filed the patent, which is titled Apple Dual Concentric Spherical Microphone Array, for film production, Vision Pro content and more. The literature describes a 3D mic system comprising an inner sphere with mic elements distributed evenly across its surface with an outer shell, shaped like a dodecahedron, 12 sides, fitted with a microphone at each vertex. Tiny, efficient MEMS microphones are used in pairs for precision, and all microphones are positioned equidistant from the center for balanced sound capture. Optional accessories will include a windshield and mounting shaft. The outer frame can be 3D printed as a single unit using additive techniques, according to the patent. The product is aimed at immersive 3D audio recording, broadcasting sound scenes with spatial depth, acoustic holography, and sound field analysis, and for potential use in AR/VR environments, film production, or advanced audio research.
Insta360 has released the Anti-Gravity A1, the world's first 360 degrees drone. The drone can capture 360 degrees footage via camera lenses precisely positioned at the top and bottom, while an advanced 360 degrees image stitching algorithm powered by Insta360 makes the drone itself fully invisible in the video. Weighing only 249 grams, the Anti-Gravity A1 records in 8K resolution. Drone pilots can strap on a pair of goggles and enjoy a truly immersive 360 degrees aerial view, freely looking in any direction with head tracking as if they were there. The grip controller simplifies operation. The drone just follows the controller's movements. The Anti-Gravity A1 is equipped with multiple safety features, including auto-deploy landing gear, obstacle avoidance, return to home, and payload detection.
For its live event-based streaming services, CBC Radio Canada now accommodates up to 80 streaming events simultaneously using only 2 instances of Lawo's Home MC2 DSP app. Many media sources arrive with non-standardized audio streams, requiring digital streaming operators to use an audio shuffler function to adjust the audio before streaming. Considering these challenges, CBC Radio Canada was seeking a flexible SMPTE ST2110-based solution, and ultimately chose Lawo's Home MC2 DSP as the most elegant and compact answer to their workflow needs. The Home MC2 DSP app's Commixer function enables the team to create the required number of audio shufflers on demand. For its streaming and linear channels, CBC Radio Canada requested 80 shuffling instances, each providing 22 audio input channels and 18 audio output channels.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.